With the second type of freezer, the chest type, this doesn't happen as much, although it does take up a lot more floor space. And I suppose if you're a very small person, you might find it difficult to find things right down at the bottom. Now it has two compartments. One is for quick freezing, fresh food, and the other one is for storing. And the big advantage of this type, of course, is that you do have a nice, large, extra working space. Now, one thing that's important to remember is never to store your freezer too near the cooker or near a radiator, because this will cause the temperature to rise, and then it'll use up a lot more electricity. And as strange as it may seem, you shouldn't keep your freezer in too cold a place either, because this can cause condensation, and that might cause damage later on. And finally, if you're going to fill your freezer, then do make sure the floor can take it, because it will be very heavy.